In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy files in Google Drive quickly and easily. This is one of the simplest Google Drive skills to learn, but it can save you a lot of time when you want to duplicate a document, spreadsheet, presentation, or any other file without starting from scratch. Whether you want a backup, a template, or a version you can edit separately, making a copy is the fastest way to do it. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign in to your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside Drive, look for the file you want to copy. This could be anything stored in your Drive, such as a Google Doc, a sheet, a slide deck, or even another supported file type. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct file, because the copy action will duplicate exactly what you choose. Next, right-click on the file. This opens the context menu with a list of actions you can take. From that menu, look for the option that says Make a Copy. Click it once, and Google Drive will automatically create a duplicate of that file in the same folder. You don't need to open the file first or use any complicated menus, which makes this process very beginner-friendly. After a second or two, a new file will appear with Copy Of added to the beginning of the file name. For example, if the original file was called Project Plan, the duplicate will show up as Copy of Project Plan. That tells you the copy was created successfully. You can then rename the new file if you want, move it to another folder, or edit it without affecting the original version. This is especially useful if you're working on multiple versions of the same document, sharing a template with someone else, or creating a backup before making major changes. Since the copied file is separate from the original, anything you edit in the new version will not change the source file. That makes it a safe and flexible way to work in Google Drive. If you don't see the Make a Copy option right away, double-check that you're right-clicking the file itself and not just an empty area in Drive. Also, if the file was shared with you, some owners may restrict copying, so the option could be limited depending on permissions. But for your own files, the process is usually instant and straightforward. And that's really all there is to it. Open Google Drive, select the file, right-click, click Make a Copy, and then rename or organize the new file however you want. That's the easiest way to duplicate files in Google Drive without any stress. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick Google Drive tutorials and simple tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.